This is a day in the life of my birds. That's Lemmy. She's my mommy's girl. See, give me kisses. She's a sweet girl, huh? See, you sweet? Love her. We're gonna go over here. There's Stitches. Watch what happens when I go to give her kisses. She's feisty. Down there is Rebel. I don't know if we got that. Let me do that again. Stitch. Rebel. Oh, we're gonna give Rebel kisses. Watch what happens when I pick up Rebel. Come here. Good boy. Give me kisses. He won't leave his girlfriend. That's Rebel. Stitches. Who's a pretty girl? Stitches. Rebel. Hiding from the camera. Normally not camera shy. Lemmy.